The advent of 5G sees the replacement of purpose-built network equipment with the virtualization and cloudification of network functions. While bringing immense new flexibility to telecom network design, there's a corresponding loss of visibility, making it difficult to troubleshoot network performance. Because of cloudification, the end-user experience is no longer determined by network coverage and performance. Instead, variations in the performance of CPUs and other hardware components in the cloud can affect virtual workloads, negatively impacting network services. In fact, the server compute stack has become the new fault domain. In collaboration with Intel, EXFO has developed a full-stack service assurance solution that combines infrastructure observability with telecom-specific, AI-enabled analytics and anomaly detection. Data from Intel's observability solution, Intel Platform Telemetry Insights, is paired with synthetic active test data and then fed to the analytics engine at the heart of the EXFO Adaptive Service Assurance platform. As a result, it is now possible to associate automatically the performance of cloud-enabled virtual workloads with network quality of service and customer quality of experience. Together, EXFO and Intel are delivering full-stack visibility of 5G network infrastructure. Personnel from the Service Ops, Network Ops, IT Ops, and Cloud Ops teams can all benefit from this new level of visibility. This full-stack 5G infrastructure assurance solution makes it simple to identify whether a saturated CPU, underperforming network card, or network function glitch is causing call drops, high latency for IoT devices, or bad video quality. This joint collaboration by EXFO and Intel unlocks insight into 5G cloud infrastructure, enabling real-time and preemptive actions to maintain a superior user experience across complex 5G networks. 5G network automation can now easily extend across the distributed compute environments it depends on. Let's consider some use cases of this innovative solution. One example is measuring CPU utilization for 5G polling workloads. In this use case, cloud server telemetry is correlated with data from other layers to identify issues such as overload conditions and scaling problems before they occur. It can also be used for root cause analysis. Another example is 5G infrastructure availability or resiliency. Here, cloud server performance metrics are correlated with service level agreements to identify root cause issues caused by infrastructure faults. Integration with service orchestration systems makes it possible to notify and proactively move workloads before infrastructure faults cause an outage. Finally, we have 5G resource utilization and exhaustion. In this case, the placement of high availability workloads is improved by providing information to the service orchestration and resource orchestration systems, such as Kubernetes. Thanks to EXFO's full-stack assurance solution, service providers achieve visibility and gain insight onto the factors that affect 5G network performance in a cloud-native context. It provides operators with the ability to quickly troubleshoot cloud-related performance impairments and provides network orchestrators with the data needed to automatically adjust network function capacity to achieve QoS and QoE goals.